Are we recording? Right. Look what's arrived. Big wrong steering wheel. I've wanted one of these for years. Never actually got one until now. So as you can see from the front, we've got a bit of a sparkly wheel and some weird looking knob in the middle and indicator stalk knob as well. So I wanted something a little bit different. So let's have a look. Thanks Ron, it came really quick. Import duty and all that was sorted. Just had to pay for the obligatory, wherever you say it, UK fucking shipping. Which was 27 quid, I think. Something like that. Really well wrapped. Seems a shame to cut through the sticker on the front. So what have we got? Ooh. What have we got? Stickers. Stickers everywhere. That's amazing, Ron. Cheers for them, man. A nice thank you note for the order. It's a bit windy in the UK today. Can you still see? Can you see it? Are you ready for this? Oh, it's wrapped. Really well wrapped. Need to keep that big wrong bit. Nice and easy with this bit. So exciting. It's like Christmas. But it is Christmas for the van, that is for sure. Nice new steering wheel for the van. The one I've got has been great, but it's sort of delaminating a little bit. The actual rubber's coming away from the metal. Probably all the grease and grime on the hands through the years. I've had it about 5 years. It's done well. But I'm hoping this one's going to last a lot longer than 5 years. Wow, so well wrapped. Don't ruin that bit. It needs to go up the front. Are you ready? Nearly there. Did you get a glimpse? Whoa, look at this. So if you're on Vanditos, you might have seen me post. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Pretty amazing. Pretty damn amazing. So as you can see, that's going to fit on there pretty damn well. Yeah, I know it's not colours don't overly match, but they're not far off. They're pretty damn close. So I think now I'm going to take a few more pictures and then set to and taking the old one off, get the new one on, making sure it's all nice and straight. Thanks again, Ron. Superb, dude. So I forgot to show you what van it's going on. So Dodge A100. What's it saying? Preview compressed for better. Yeah, A100. 1967. I've had it for about 5 years, something like that. Bit of weirdness. Had it for about 5 years. It's fucking raining in the UK, so apologies for the drabness effect.